Tips na lang boss paano mag-walk away sa girl in a respectful way kasi barkada lang ang turing. Well, simple lang. Sabihin mo lang sa kanya na, no, hindi ako interested in just being platonic with you eh. Because what I want with you is something romantic. Pero sabihin mo sa kanya na, if in case you change your mind, give me a call. And then walk away and never look back. Ngayon, baka isipin yung mga sigarilyo na hindi kaya nakakabastos yun sa mga babae kasi nireject natin yung friendship nila. Actually, mas nakakabastos yun sa manhood mo, sa totoo lang. Kasi at the end of the day, alam mo yung habol mo sa kanya is something romantic eh. Ngayon kung inaccept mo yung friendship, ibig sabihin no na you don't know what you want in life. And you are settling down for something lesser than what you really want. And kung mangyari yon sa totoo lang, mas bababa lalo yung interest ng babae sa'yo. Actually, merong mga times pa nga na if you do this, if you really walk away and mean it, malaki yung porsyento na tataas lalo yung interest sa'yo ng babae. And after a while, yung babae na yung magre-reach out sa'yo. Sasabihin niya, hey, kumusta? Magme-makeup na yan ng something na kahit anong reason para lang mag-reach out sa'yo. Magchat-chat na yan ng kung anong reasons. Kunwari, oy, naiiwan ko yata yung jacket ko sa inyo eh. Okay, sabihin nila na, di ba mahilig ka sa pusa? Tanong ko lang, may rabies ba yung mga pusa? Yung mga ganong klaseng parang mga nonsense na na mga topics. Ginagawa nila yan just to reach out to you. And as men, our job is to ask them out on a date once they do that. Kasi always assume na if a woman reaches out to you, they want to see you. So if that happens in the long run, your job then is to set up a definite date with them na. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy, wala nang mahabang chats dyan. Just have a conversation 3 times back and forth and then ask them out on a date na kagad. So regarding naman doon sa tanong mo kung how to walk away in a very respectful manner, yun na yun. Just state what you really want. Sabihin mo nang ayaw mo ng friendship, what you want with her is something romantic. And then if she changes her mind, she can give you a call. Then walk away and never look back na. Kasi actually by doing that, hindi naman talaga disrespectful yun sa mga babae. That is actually more attractive to them. Kasi nga, that goes to show na alam mo kung anong gusto mo sa buhay. And if a woman sees that, tataas ngayon yung interest nila sa'yo lalo. Well, I hope nakatulong sa inyo yung follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.